Come here. Let me poke you. No.
输出不是问题，是不是？
그 대신 그날 투수들에게 후원하셔야 하는 거 아시죠? 가는 게 있으면 오는 게 있어야지요.
왜 그래? 아, 고양이 갑자기 막. Chill. Oh gosh.
근데 갔다가 갔다가 오른쪽 이거를 한 3번씩만 해보고 바로 해보도록 할게요.
아마 상관.
갔다가 오고
Some ASMR music on. Aha! Oh, sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh.
I'm crushing your dreams and dashing your hopes. You're climbing a mountain with a hammer and no ropes.
그대로 돌아가고 싶어. 잡아줄 수 없어도 또다시
So we have finished making our colors. Now we're going to put these together to make 100 pounds.
Wow, that's very.
Guess what drink? Hint, got it the other day.
Bless me.
Tutaj w tej ustaweczce mamy ustawić 2 czerwone fasolki.
Na zdrowie!
Nazówko. To więc ustawiamy.
W możliwych umiejętnościach kichnę jak chuj. Znaczy...
When I'm there. And I think that's it, y'all. Excuse me. I'm a little...
Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. Here it comes again.
But that is really awesome. How do you cook it? Just in a pan. Excuse me.
This is kind of like a typical morning. Anyway.
So, just in case you guys want like a background kind of thing as to how I kind of work. God bless myself. I don't know why we say that, but
This is actually my mom's recipe. This is not my recipe.
Я, конечно, признаюсь, что я не бьюти-блогер и везде об этом говорю. Это временно. Правда, я же сказала, что это временно. Я не истинный бьюти.
But that's something that like I haven't gotten to do for like several Christmases, so. In lieu of that, my favorite Korean water, by the way. Peksansu. When my allergies get really bad, my eyes get so like puffy. Oh, it's casting.
There were also lots.
Oh my god, I love it. I don't know, I guess it just depends. Everyone's different. Like certain things appeal to me more where I'm like, this is worth my money. Ew. Oh, that was intense. And then other things.
Bless me. Any more? Usually it's 3. Now, but I'm just not sure about the body, whether it's like flattering because it is like baggier. Why am I always sneezing in videos? Oh my god. Send help.
Yeah, it's good. Like sneezing. Sorry. It's horrible. And you're allergic to what or plants? You need to do a sneezing montage. You're allergic. I am. You ever hear me say something like that? For you.
Там мне было отлично в моих обычных носках, я горя не знал. Будь ty zdrowa. Будь ty zdrowa.
Pięknych jest taka alejka, gdzie są różne akcje. O nie, zaraz kichnę. Czyli prawdę mówię.
It's been done. It costs $200 plus. And is it worth it? Wait. Sorry, I need to sneeze. I always sneeze. God.
哦，不能，因为有那种粉的东西，我很快鼻子就会过。这个哪有粉？就刚刚用的那个。哦。这个地砖可以吧？我不知道，我现在看不到，不想看，我要。你。
四次元。
快点啊！全部也不要你在打喷嚏。你要杀了我吧你！会死掉。冰一下，我真的不会画了。我讲什么？不知道，非常不专业。其实本来就不用。好了啦，那全部影片都是你的，你要不要带最后加一个总共打了几个？可以哦。我也不想了，我也很痛苦。我先把它遮起来一下。
Balloons. I have to sneeze. Shit. Sorry. I had to sneeze. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. I think my soul just escaped my body. Oh my god. I have to sneeze. Sorry. I gotta sneeze too. Yikes, I really got to sneeze. Don't go in yet! Oh my gosh, hold on. I'm on my way. Hold on.
It's right here.
I have to sneeze.
No? Okay. It's gonna sit there.
Oh my gosh. I'm like, ugh. That just made my headache worse. Why? Why? That was like a half cough, half sneeze. Ouch. It like stopped wanting to sneeze and then it came out as a cough and then it sneezed again. What the fuck? Ouch. I could have gone back to get that. I had to sneeze.
Probably running for his life.
Everything here.
I see him.
Oh my gosh. Am I dead?
Jesus.
Just kidding.
You might be able to pick some up once you pick up the mana vault. Didn't be able to trinket mage, sadly.
Where did it?
Yeah. Oh, salute.
Excuse me.
I don't love her name. I mean,
3. Oh man, I need to go get an antihistamine, you guys. I just got like mad allergies.
Ой, боже, как это было громко. Sorry.
The top 5 games that I saw at E3, and I think you're really gonna love them. So, here we go.
Oh, dang, but a chicken wing, motherfucker! What's that extreme? Is it really? Oh, hey, there's no wall there.
Oh, that's so gross.
The whole
Okay, hold on, I fucked up. I'm dead. Oh my god, these guys take forever. Jesus, are you
awful? Oh shit. We're cool. We're good. Alrighty, let's get out of here.
Oh,
Are you hearing that, Sitson?
Nope, actually in a cargo bomb, but it's about to blow up, so I'm just gonna eject.
Well, this Titan adventure has been amazing. Oh look, it's Decipher. I can't wait to shoot him in the face because he's a cock end.
Oh man, I have to sneeze. Talk about being nasally. So I got my box of tissues right here. Excuse me.
Лево 4, чтобы мы все вместе пошли вчетвером. Ой, началось. А, ну да, ему 14. Ой, подождите, салфетки надо срочно. Да, сейчас в Дискорд заходите, писюны. Спасибо. А чё я звука не слышу вообще? У меня что-то с наушниками или чё? Звука нет. У меня наушники? Стоп. Спасибо. Нет, просто звука нет. Почему? Звук есть. Привет, кот. Микшер громкости. Так. Кому там кидать? Максиму. Блин. Не-не-не, проси мопед и машину. Ой. Банка, у тебя нет прав? Кому еще нужно было? Там кому-то еще нужно было.
я оплевала весь телефон. Ой. Где чебурашка, Катя? 369. 369. Ой.
Здорово.
Спасибо большое.
Все, сейчас поднимется щит. И...
Так, держать. Ой, что правда, то правда, аж чихнула.
Stop talking about sleep. I'm not even that. Okay. I have to sneeze. Wait, I have to sneeze again, I think. Okay. I'm done. Yep, I'm done. That was the last sneeze. It's you! It's you! Okay, I'm better now. Thank you. I'm sick. I have to sneeze. It's you! Okay. I feel better now. It's you! It's you! Pretty sure I just spit all of. Yeah, I did. Alright. I'll fix that soon. It's you! I want to do that. It's you! But. It's you! It's you! Alright. It's you! I'm very happy right now. Oh, no, it's you! No, I just sneezed in my hands. It's you! It's you! Okay, I feel better. I feel a little better. Oh my god, I have to sneeze. I really actually have to sneeze right now. I feel it. It's you! Okay, there we go. Alright, I gotta sneeze. It's you!
Listen, Claire. Say
It's you!
so.
Nice.
So you can see your brother.
No. It's you! It's... Oh, I just sneezed on my fucking hand. It's you! It's you! I'm gonna be voting. I have to... It's you! Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. I think it's gonna happen again. Wait. Okay, no. No, it's not. Sorry. I thought I was gonna sneeze again. Shit. I think I might. I don't know. Thank you, Jay. Okay. What is it called? Large light. Okay. Alright, I'm good. Okay.
I've now sneezed. I'm here.
Oh, the symbol. Oh. I have to sneeze. Okay. I got it. Oh. Hi, Gremlin. How you doing? Oh my god, no, I don't need Starbucks. Thank you. I will.
Boah, es ist widerlich, Alter. Okay, das meine ich nochmal, Jungs. Puderzucker ist keine gute Option. Oh. Jetzt glaubt safe wieder das halbe Internet, das war.
Hello.
Just these.
Dankeschön für den Follow.
Oh my goodness. Thank you. New fans, what's up? Oh my goodness. My word. Ugh. God, I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my goodness. I'll cough. And I've been sneezing still. I've been sneezing and you could tell I'm still just a tad bit sick, right? Hold on. Just need oh my goodness! Make it stop! Oh. To sneeze. My goodness. Hi, Galdron, how are you? Get your Switch. Bless me. Oh my. Whoops. That was overkill. Excuse me. Homesick. I feel like I'm getting sick too. Like my throat is very, very scratchy, and I'm like freezing. So I don't know. I hope I'm not getting sick. I really hope I'm not getting sick.
Why do we have to hide? Silence. Well, this is a pleasant surprise.
Face hurting from
That
smiling too
fool
much.
Jack brought Sora and the others with him. Now
Hey.
we can deal with all of them at once.
Hey.
What do you want us to do?
Who's there? Excuse me.
Busted!
Yeah, I think I'm definitely getting sick.
Oh!
Whoa! I just these. Hey!
Trouble myself.
I just sneezed too. Oh my god. I'm good. Oh, there's a spider on my ceiling. Just sneeze. Not with that attitude? That's true.
Yoga can be really interesting. Sometimes can
My goodness. Have I tried the new hero? No. I Bless me.
They like messing around like that. Oh god, it's these. I need a tissue. Oh no, and then I just knocked my thing. Oh my god, Ham, don't look at me, okay? Don't look at me. Okay. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. It's so annoying. What are you on about? I need to sneeze and I can't. And I'm constantly like stuffy. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay. I know, I need to go wash my hand. Thanks. Sneeze.
How'd you? Oh my god. Did you fart? Right in the
No,
mic.
sorry.
Bless you.
I like repressed the whole thing.
What? You know it's not good to stifle your sneezes, right? You can like pop a blood vessel in your brain and like die.
Okay, when does that ever happen
So
though?
not true, dude. I'm just saying.
Entrance. Oh god, I gotta sneeze. Sorry. I need to sneeze. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I need to go sort my hair out. I just sneezed into my hair. Meatballs, pizza. Ah, spiked apple cider.
Yes, please. No.
doing? I have sneezed actually like 10 times in a row today. Like, and then 10 times more in a row. Which is great. I'm gonna sneeze.
It was crazy. Raining bullets.
I got to fucking sneeze again.
It'll be fine in a day or two. I just can't pull a boat right now. Sure. Never really got the hang of it.
I hate being sick. Oh, am I supposed to do the carriage? What's... Shoot those railroads.
I'm gonna shop you now. Come on. Be suicide. You'll die, boy. But you'll lose your balls first. Jesus Christ.
Do I shed a lot? Look at all these chickens. Yes, these. Oh, a gang camp, huh? Oh, when you're dating? You can go towards danger, you'll get a cutscene. I have to sneeze, hold on. What?
Didn't mean to bring it up.
It's okay, you didn't know.
Hi, Brett. I heard your mom's dead.
I heard,
Oh, fuck.
you,
Went to jail.
To sneeze.
Hey,
Oh.
that's Clarissa!
I have to sneeze.
Jesus, that house is huge. That lady really knew how to live. It's like
No.
Chateau de Ad.
See you right now. That was beautiful. Stay out in the sky, fellas. I'm fighting their mercy. No!
Thank you. Just sneeze. Please no. I gotta sneeze. Oh god, I gotta sneeze. Okay, everything's fine. Sneeze. Already. I've been sneezing so much today, and just lately. I have fall allergies, I guess. Like, whatever pollen is in the air is killing me. It's killing me softly, okay?
So, I won't do anything stupid, Clem, I promise. I'll be careful when I kill him. You sound so creepy sometimes. Yeah.
Maybe I can get them if I can pry this pipe off the wall. Can you find some kind of tool out there? Find me something sturdy. Like
I gotta sneeze. No, I don't know this. I gotta sneeze. Thank you, Ruby Weapons. Palette swap.
The audio is not synced. Oh no. Oh, that's right. I have to read it.
Fuck. I gotta sneeze.
I think we have the centerpiece for my fall line.
Okay, I think that's the most I've ever sneezed on stream. Oh, he's at Oxford, right?
Sable Team Alpha standing by. Looks like an electrical problem. Copy that.
I just yelped like a dog. Did you guys? 200 IQ. I have to sneeze. No. Sweatpants is my go-to. I have to sneeze. Oh god. Please no. Fucking tits. You know? Yeah, sneeze. Yeah, sneeze.
Guns from Fisk's armory.
Oh my god. Okay. No.
Mass terrorists have seized a civilian.
There's sneeze. Sneeze compilation.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the
Jasmine Eve, follow me on Twitch. Food. You finished? Okay, you fix my chat. I mean my camera. Eyes are all of a sudden so itchy too. I haven't done it in a long time. Yes. My camera's like super blurred in the background. I'm good. If you guys want me to put song requests down, let me know, okay? I'm doing okay. I'm taking forever to do a workout, which is annoying.